Okay, so we're going to start here with the of the two. I have two for this one because it's Scrabble. They're both Scrabble games, but this one's online. I would probably send this one, use this one for my older students with the higher reading levels that can handle doing this with some that have high vocabularies. So pretty simple. You just go ahead and you click in, tell it what you want to do, how hard you want it to be, and you play the computer. And then it's just like a normal Scrabble game. The computer goes, and then you have to make a word out of here. So whoops. So it plays just like traditional. And then the computer takes a turn, back and forth. Pretty simple. So Mafia, so now we have to come up with something different, so on and so forth. So it's just basically a standard not Monopoly, Scrabble game. It plays pretty much the same. I would probably send the students out to play against the computer for a while, and then if I had enough interest to have them play each other, so you can come up better. It might be better to have them generate English this way than to have them do it in class. So, but it will get them practicing their words and stuff. So my other game is, keeps popping in and out of your frame here. Let's put that in. And basically, it's Scrabble, but with a different twist. It gives you 5 letters, and then you have to fill in these blanks by making 4 and 5 letter words. Here, there's 4 and 5 letter words and 5 to 7 letter words. I just picked this one for the quick demo. So, as soon as you make one, here, the interface is pretty easy, pretty simple to do. Is probably a personal thing with me. I keep going down here and clicking solve instead of clicking check every time I play this. But you just keep going until you get all the letters right, and then it just moves you on to the next puzzle. Pretty simple interface for the kids to use, and will really stretch their vocabulary knowledge.